Good day. I am Adrian Balajon.
I am Alessandra Remo.
And I am Justin Abando.
And we are representative from Colegio de Muntinlupa, and we are here to present our product. So for our background, I would like to call on Ms. Remo.
So let's start with the root cause of our project. The Philippines is located in the Pacific Ring of Fire, making it more prone to seismic activities and significant damages. Muntinlupa is under the Pacific Ring of Fire, making it more prone to earthquakes and seismic activities. So how can we help address these issues? To discuss our solution, I'd like to call on Mr. Balajon.
Our product or our solution is entitled Tectonics. Tectonics is a physical product wherein it will aid the people around the vicinity whenever an earthquake occurs. So how does it work? Our product will be located in two separate locations or more. So whenever a seismic anomaly occurs, it will send a signal through the TeamSpeak interface or our cloud server, wherein it will analyze that data, wherein it will check if it is an actual earthquake. If it identifies the vibration as an actual earthquake, it will send a signal to the product, wherein it will alert the people within the vicinity. So what are the benefits? The benefits are alerting, as mentioned, data gathering for future references, and those data gathered will be used for preparation and planning. So our competitors are Majora, IMB Corporation, and Sisodin. Most of them have produced similar products wherein the product itself could detect seismic anomalies. But the only difference is to our product is that our product could connect to the internet using IoT technology. So who is our market? Our market is companies, local government unit, and household. For the companies, they could use our product for the maintenance of their buildings and for reselling. For LGU, they could use our product for risk reduction planning, and for our household itself, they could use our product for their own safety by enabling a signal or a warning whenever an earthquake occurs. Now for our finance and pricing, I would like to call on Mr. Amando.
The fixed production cost of our product would total at about 2,708 pesos. Combine this with the depreciation cost and the contingency cost, this would total at about 3,210 pesos for the total project. In line with this, our pricing for the product has been chosen to be applied at a markup percentage of 40%, leading to a 4,500 peso pricing for each of the unit. We also added an 800 peso subscription fee to access our TeamSpeak activities. For our future predictions, our product are seeing a gross profit margin of 39.43%. Our break-even sales is around 1,125,000, and our break-even sales quantity is selling at around 230 units. For our financial 5-year projection, as you can see, our target for year 1 is to sell at least 250 units, which will yield us a 1,381,250 gross sales. We will obviously increase this every year to accommodate our increasing cost of goods sales due to the R&D and the maintenance cost. Our ROI for these 5 years is around 46%, and the average ROI every year is 15%. That's all. And I am Justin Abando.
I am Alessandra Remo.
And I'm Adrian Balajon, and we are here to represent Colegio de Muntinlupa. That's all. Thank you.